Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is how to make banana oats pancake. Before I start with this healthy recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. To make pancake, take 1 cup of oats powder and blend 2 bananas along with 3/4 cup milk to make banana puree. Next, add 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix everything together. Add chocolate chips. Mix well. The mixture should be like idli batter consistency, neither too thick nor runny. Heat a pan, spread half teaspoon of butter, add oats pancake batter to it and spread it to form a circle. Don't spread too much, it should be thick. Cook until brown on one side for 5 minutes. These pancakes are good source of fiber, protein, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6. Flip the pancake, cook for 1 to 2 minutes and remove from the pan. Repeat the same process for the remaining batter. Now your pancake is ready to serve. Enjoy your pancake by adding honey. Hope you like this healthy recipe. If you like this recipe, give it a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.